In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use split screen tabs in Microsoft Edge like a pro. This feature can be a real game changer when it comes to multitasking, allowing you to see two websites side by side within the same window. It can help you compare information, follow a tutorial while practicing simultaneously, or simply keep an eye on your social media while working. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to launch the Edge browser on your computer. It's a straightforward process. Just locate the Edge icon on your desktop or in your taskbar and give it a click. Once you have Microsoft Edge up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. Click on that. This action will bring up a list of options. From this menu, choose Settings. This will take you to a new screen where all sorts of customizations are possible. In the Settings menu, you'll notice a column on the left side. Here you want to click on Appearance. This section allows you to customize how your browser looks and feels. Once you are in the Appearance settings, scroll down a bit until you find Other Appearance Settings. Under this category, you'll see the Toolbar option. Click on it. The toolbar is your gateway to quick commands and shortcuts. Now you're getting close to unleashing the split screen magic. Look for the option labeled Split Screen button. You should see a toggle switch next to it. Go ahead and click that switch to turn it on. Once activated, you'll notice a new icon appearing on your toolbar. This is the split screen icon, and it's about to become your best friend for efficient browsing. Once you have the icon ready, the next step is to put it to good use. Start by opening any website of your choice. This could be anything from your newsfeed to your favorite blog. With a website open, click on the split screen icon that's now part of your toolbar in the top right corner. The moment you do this, watch as your screen magically divides into left and right panes. Inside the right pane, you have a couple of choices. You could open a brand new website site by typing in the URL, or if you prefer, select from the other tabs you already have open. Just click on the one you need and it will load on the right side. You now have two active tabs side by side in a single window. This makes comparing websites or handling multiple tasks a breeze. Enjoy your newfound productivity efficiency with Microsoft Edge.